Close your eyes now, and imagine yourself walking into the darkened theatre of your mind. Seats empty, air cold, screen blank. This is where your story unfolds. And today, it is a story of resilience. Your intention is simple: to face the fear that hunts you, to enter the unknown corridors of your mind, where shadows creep, where memories echo, where doubt stalks silently. But you will not run, you will not give in, you will persevere, because no matter how terrifying the darkness becomes, the strength within you is greater. Breathe in now, deep and steady, hold it and exhale, releasing hesitation, releasing the urge to flee. You are Ripley. You are the survivor. You are unbroken. We begin now. Visualize the number 5. It pulses like a tracker on a screen, a steady beeping in the silence. Around you, the walls rise tall, metal corridors stretching in every direction. The air is stale, filled with the hum of unseen machinery. Lights flicker overhead. Your body feels the seat beneath you, but your mind is aboard the ship. Each breath draws you deeper into this place. Each exhale slows the world down. Fear exists here, but so does your resolve. Level 5. You are on the ship. Visualize the number 4 glowing faintly on the steel wall. The corridors darken. The silence grows heavier. Every breath you take echoes, loud, steady, unshaken. You feel your body soften, even as the tension rises around you. Neck releasing, shoulders dropping, hands relaxing into readiness. The number 4 lights your way like a dim flare. It reminds you, fear is not the end. It is the beginning of courage. The presence of fear proves you are alive. And alive, you are powerful. Level 4. Visualize the number 3. The motion tracker in your hand flickers. A pulse, then another, closer. The mind reacts, panic rising like static electricity. But here, in level 3, you take control. Your jaw loosens, your tongue rests, eyes soften, breath slows to a steady rhythm. The alien may be near, but your mind is steadier than the tracker. Your heart beats steadier than the silence. Fear sharpens you. It does not break you. You are Ripley now, and you walk forward. Visualize the number 2. 3 scenes open before you. You enter a chamber dripping with resin. Eggs pulsing, shadows shifting. This is the nest of your fear. The memories of abandonment, the echoes of rejection, the weight of being hunted by shadows within. And yet you do not collapse. You stand. The Xenomorph rises, towering, otherworldly. Every instinct screams, run, but you breathe deeper. Stand taller, hold your ground. Your fear becomes fuel. You light the flamethrower of your spirit. The chamber bursts in fire. Your resolve ignites the dark. Fear recoils. It cannot consume you. You are greater than the shadow. Level 2. You have faced it. Now we descend fully. A countdown into raw strength. 10. The corridors close around you. 9. The tracker beeps steady. 8. The alien approaches. 7. Panic flickers, but you hold firm. 6. You feel power rising in your chest. 5. Fear sharpens you into focus. 4. The fire within steadies. 3. You hold the line. 2. Almost there. 1. You arrive. Level 1. The heart of resilience. The center of your strength. Here, the shadows dissolve into your willpower. Here, you claim your power. Repeat within, slow and steady. I do not run. I do not break. No matter how dark, I persevere. I am resilient. I am unshaken. I am powerful. Say it again. Each word echoing deeper. Each word burning into your nervous system like a code. Unbreakable, unstoppable. The words of your movie rise like text. This is the story of one who faced the terror, who who stood in the nest of fear and who refused to give up. You see yourself in the film, your silhouette against the flames, your eyes locked on the shadow, your body unshaken. You are Ripley in the exosuit, facing the monster head on. You don't scare me, you don't own me. Every step is strength, every breath is resilience, every action is proof you will persevere. The screen shifts, the corridors dissolve. You are now in the hangar, dark, massive, silent, and from the shadows it emerges. The Queen, towering, terrifying, the embodiment of everything you fear. Your heart pounds, but you do not step back. Instead, you climb into the exosuit, steel wrapping around your body. You are taller now, stronger, ready. The Queen hisses, charging forward. Fear lunges at you, but you meet it head on. Metal against claw, fire against shadow. Every push is resilience, every strike is courage. Every moment you hold the line proves you will not give in. The Queen thrashes, but you do not break. You grip, lift, and with a roar of strength, you cast it back into the void. The hangar doors slam, the fear is gone, and you stand victorious, breathing hard but unbroken. Affirm now 3 times with power. I face the monster. I do not run, I win. I face the monster. I do not break, I rise. I face the monster. I persevere, I triumph. Your body absorbs this truth. Your nervous system records it. You are unshaken. You are victorious. Now we breathe. Inhale through your nose. A deep, slow pull, as though stepping forward down the corridor. Footstep, hold it. Listen to the silence, the hum of the ship, the beat of your own heart. Pulse. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Steady, calm, as though pushing fear out into the darkness. Another footstep. Pause. Stillness between steps, calm before the next move. Each inhale is a step forward. Each hold is your heartbeat, steady. Each exhale clears the fear. Each pause proves you're in control. You walk forward, always forward. The screen before you flickers to life again. It shows the old reels, times you froze, times fear overwhelmed, times shadows felt too big. You watch them. No judgment, no shame, just film, just memory. Now inhale, and as you exhale, the reels burn. The film melts away in the projector. The old story dissolves, another reel begins. You see yourself standing tall, flame in your hand, eyes bright with courage. You do not give in. You do not surrender. Say within aloud, if you can, I release fear. I claim strength. I persevere no matter what. I am resilient. I am powerful. The soundtrack of your life swells. This is your victory. This is your moment. See the number 2 glowing steady. You walk back through the corridor, but you are changed, no longer hunted. You are the hunter of your own destiny. Fear does not stalk you anymore. It fuels you. The number 3 glows. Your body awakens gently, toes tingling, legs alive, chest rising with strength. You carry this truth. The dark is no prison. The dark is your proving ground. The number 4 appears, golden now. Your spine straightens, shoulders pull back with dignity, breath calm, powerful, integration complete. You are unshaken, resilient, ready. The number 5 glows brightly. The theatre lights rise. The film has ended, and you are not the same. You are stronger, wiser, unbroken. We count now, from 1 to 10, awakening fully. 1, energy stirring. 2, awareness rising. 3, breath deep. 4, muscles alive. 5, halfway back. 6, heart steady. 7, spirit strong. 8, almost awake. 9, ready to rise. 10, eyes open, mind clear, body empowered. final affirmation. I do not run. I do not break. I persevere. I am resilient. I am powerful. I am free. Carry this into your day. For no matter how dark the corridors of life become, you will always walk forward. You will always persevere. You will always rise. I faced the monster. I did not run. I did not break. I persevered. I triumphed. I am resilient. I am powerful. I am free. Carry this into your life. For no matter how dark the corridors, no matter how terrifying the shadow, you are always stronger. You will always persevere, and you will always rise.